Hello everyone. This is the second video of installing my Ford 9-inch rear on my 68 A-body GTO. This system is a Ridetech system, in case you're wondering. I don't think I mentioned that in my other video. I am ready to install the lower control arms. That's one right there. And the other one is right there. So I wanted to show you again, like the other video, the spacers here, they fit inside the joint that's right here. I'll show you a close-up, okay? So all that does is fit inside there. Just line it up, it should drop right in. Fits really nicely. And the same thing on the other side. Now, it's gonna go up into that torque box. So I'm gonna have to show you exactly how I'm going to do that. Give me 1 second and get on the other side of the car. Okay, I'm on top. This is the torque box from the top view. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide the longer bolt that comes with the kit, which is 4 inches long. They say in the instructions they give you a 3 3/4 inch. Well, I read that all of these are 3 3/4. These bolts up here and over here. So these, there's 2 that are really long. So that's this one right here, which is 4 inch. I measured it. So what I'm going to do is, because it's longer, I'm going to use these for the torque box. So I'm going to slide it in there. And I'm going to use my socket to install the bolt through the hole, because I can't fit my fingers through there. So I'm going to try to do this. Okay, I installed the other control arm on the driver's side right here. And threads are coming through over there. So I wanted to show you how I did that. And I will be right back. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. I'm ready to install the spacers. These are the spacers right here. And they go just like I said, like I did up top. That goes in, like, just fits right in. Just push them right in. Very easy. This gets pushed in on this side. Okay, and that's it. So now this is gonna come up and hit the lower area of your rear right there. So I'm gonna need 2 hands to put this in. I'm gonna have to put the camera down and slide the bolt through right here. This is the 3 3/4 inch bolt. That's gonna go through there like that. So give me a second so I can do that. I'll be right back. All right, it's all installed right there. Just wanted to show you close-up of everything. That is the bottom of the rear and the control arm. So now all I have to do is install the washer and the lock washer, and this side will be complete. Just wanted to show you, and that's the top part of the control arm. I have to do the other side, and I'll be right back. I installed the right side. So I slid the bolt through, I'll show you, and then that's complete up there with the spacers and the bolt going through the torque box. So now I'm ready to install the bolts. Okay, here is the shot on the other side with the spacers and everything. So now, if you have any questions or comments, let me know. I'm not going to tighten everything up until I install my coilover kit. So this is the installed strong arm, lower strong arm. So that is installed, okay, that piece there. The upper control arm is installed. both of them, and the driver's side strong arm is installed. Now, like I said, if you have any questions or comments, let me know, and hopefully I can help you. Now, the other thing I have to do is install my brackets for the coilover kit, and I had to do some modifying on this rear. So I'll get into that video, which would be the next video coming up after this. I would be the third in the series, and I'd show you exactly what I had to do to get it to work. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comments, please let me know.